Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, LaffinBoy here, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick Astroneer video. This one is going to be on how to use the compass. I am on a PlayStation 4, so the controls are probably going to be different for you. I don't know how to do this on the PC, but I'm guessing it will be basically the same. On the Xbox, I would just have to guess that the buttons are going to be in the same place, just called different things as they usually are. Anyway, it's really simple. All you have to do is use your L2, which brings up the little reticle here, and you just point it at your character. As you can see, I'm facing, well, this is west. Also, a helpful thing when you're trying to find the gateways, if you'll look up in the sky, you see all those little stars or asteroids, or little triangles floating in the sky, and you'll also notice the planets that are running in that same band. Well, that band always runs east to west, so you can use that to help you find the gateways. Also, of course, you know, if you're looking for the north and south ones, just do that. Anyway, I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was informative. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. LaffinBoy out.